Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to make a quick little mini card with you all. I have been obsessed with this stamp set from Scrap Diva Designs. You guys, I did another video on another card, and this is just a little bonus video that I wanted to do because I was making these and I was like, oh, I want to do a video on it. So I'm going to be featuring this stamp set. It's from scrapdivadesigns.com. You can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And while we're here, I also created this boot here. This is her boot mini album, and I made it a pocket so that I can put a wand in here. I love doing that, and so I just added some little beads here, a bow from my stash. And this set is so cute, guys. I'm going to show it to you in more detail in another video. But I wanted to create these little cards to like kind of match with it. And so that was the inspo on this. So let's get started. I don't want to make this video long. I went ahead and I embossed this stamp set here, the one with the boots. So I just used some gold, this new gold embossing powder that I hauled recently. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, okay? It's called Gilded something. I can't remember. And then this is a little mini card from my stash. And so let's also, we're going to make the same exact one. I'm going to use the Howdy because I feel like it fits perfect. And this is perfect to do in different colors, guys. We're just going to use 2 colors on this one. Maybe we could try 3. I'm going to be using pinks, but you can do like a really pretty rainbow effect. That would be really nice on here. All right, so use your stamping block, or you can use the window. Totally up to you, your stamping platforms. I'm going to go with a darker, I'm going to go with Kish Flamingo and Worn Lipstick for this one. And I'm going to kind of like, I did it only light in the middle and then the 2 dark on the sides. I'm going to kind of go dark, light, dark, light. So I'm going to start with my lighter one. And I'm going to go on the first Howdy. So I'm going to get it on there really good, guys. And then on the third. So I'm going to skip over one. And it's okay if it gets a little bit on the other. We want that nice ombre look. And then let's go with Worn Lipstick. You guys can use whatever color combos you want. This is the one that I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm just alternating between the 2 colors. Okay. And then I'm going to stamp this more on the corner because I want to fit that boot perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. Now this is where your stamp platforms are going to come in really in handy because you can go ahead and keep on stamping until you get the perfect look that you're looking for. But we're going to go just with the stamp block. Oh, that's pretty, guys. Look at how cute. So just imagine doing this technique with different colors. You know what I mean? Like a rainbow. Oh, that would be so pretty. Okay, so we got that there. And then I went ahead and I colored another boot with the emboss. We're going to have that about there. And I'm going to do some stamping in the background. I'm going to use a flower stamp from my stash. And I'm trying to think what color. Let's do the Kish Flamingo. You know that's my favorite, guys. So I'm just going to kind of like eyeball it and put little flowers here and there. Go here. Yeah, I like that. Let me kind of rub this off. Let me use my cloth. And I'm going to try to get that little blossom, that little flower. Let's turn it upside down and go here. Okay. Yeah, like that. And then I'm also going to grab, so this stamp set from my stash, it has a bunch of like little blossoms and stuff. So I'm just gonna use those, and I'm gonna create a really cute little background. Let's go in with the worn lipstick as well for some contrast. And I'm just gonna stamp the blossoms wherever. Let me see. Right there. Let's do one here. And then let's do one upside down in the corner. Right there. And I'm gonna kind of echo stamp a little here and there too, because why not? And then I have one more little blossom. And I'm gonna go in with the Kish Flamingo again. I really could bring in spun sugar too, but I felt like it was just so light on my other one. So we'll do this one coming out right here. And here. Just a little here, there, and everywhere. All right, I want to do another blossom. Sorry, guys. I want one more blossom. This one's a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to put it wherever. Let's put one going like here maybe. Yeah. And then one here. Okay, so there goes my little florals. And then we're gonna go ahead and stick down our boot. And I wanna add some foam tape to that to give it some dimension. And then we're gonna go ahead and stamp a sentiment in the inside as well to finish this card off. Guys, if you do not have this set, get it. She's got this whole Western theme going on for the month of April, and I am enjoying it. I have a lot of projects that I need to share with you all. I've been working on things behind the scenes. So definitely keep a lookout for my other videos. I hope to inspire you all. So I'm gonna put a little bit of foam. And we're just gonna place that. Kind of want to move it down a little bit. Just a little bit more. Right there. Look at how cute that is. I love it. And then, see, I did a softer pink on this one. So it really is up to you. I feel like I should. Yeah, let me go ahead and bring in that spun sugar, because I do like the softness of it. So let's do one more of this one. And we'll put it right there. Have it go all the way to the end. Yeah, I like that. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop this on, oh, I shouldn't be stamping on that. On foam as well. Okay, got my foam tape. Let's go ahead and prop that up on our fronts. And then we're gonna glue the inside and do another stamp sentiment. Just like that. Look at how cute, you guys. And then we're gonna open it up. We're gonna glue this down flat. Okay. Okay. Try to center this as best I can. I don't know about there. And then let's go ahead and do another sentiment in the inside. So we're gonna do the bless your heart. And as you can see, I did the spun sugar in the middle and then the kiss flamingo on the outside. But we're gonna match this one up to the front. So I'm gonna do the opposite. Let's do the kiss flamingo on the outer corners. And then the worn lipstick in the middle. Again, use your stamping platforms so you can get like a perfect, you can keep on going till you get the perfect look. Yeah, I'm gonna I want it a little bit on the letters as well, the bottom of the letters. So I'm just blending it. You can kind of see. And then let's go ahead and try to get this right in the middle. Look at how pretty, you guys. I love it. You can see the ombre effect. See, it's so much clearer than this one. But I love that blend. It's so pretty, guys. So that is it. I just wanted to jump and do a quick little mini card with you all. I love the way that these turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. And I will catch you all in the next video. I hope that you guys are enjoying this new release for April for Scrap Diva Designs. Don't forget, use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. If anything is sold out, guys, sign up for notifications because they do restock. She restocks very quickly, okay? So once again, here goes my little mini cards to go with my little cowgirl boots. Look at how cute. Who wouldn't want to receive something like this? I think it's so adorable. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.